Meanwhile, petrol and diesel prices continue to soar across the country for the 9th consecutive day. Petrol prices in Delhi are at 76.26 per litre after an increase of 0.48 paisa, while diesel costs 74.62 per litre, an increase of 0.59 paisa from yesterday. In other metros too, fuel prices are pinching the common man's pocket. Mumbai has the costliest petrol of 83.17 and diesel at 73.21. Petrol in Chennai costs 79.96, while diesel is at 72.69. Now, these are the record increase in fuel rates since the daily revision of prices were introduced in mid-March after the government hiked excise duty on petrol and diesel to shore up additional finance.
हर 15वें दिन का काम है, हर 15 दिन में बढ़ते हैं। परेशान तो हैं ही लोग। पर पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं, उधर बिल बढ़ रहा है बिजली का। बहुत परेशानी हो रही है लोगों को, रोजगार है नहीं, परेशान हो रहे हैं लोग, काम छूटे पड़े हैं भाई।
पहले ही महंगाई बहुत बढ़ी हुई है, इस टाइम पर लोग बागों के पास न कमाई है, ऊपर से ही इतना रेट बढ़ता जा रहा है डेली। दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट को सोचना चाहिए इस बारे में। नॉर्मल आदमी कहाँ से लाएगा इतना पैसा? पेट्रोल के लिए भी, डीजल के लिए भी, हर चीज़ के लिए भी, खाने के लिए भी। कमाई पहले ही है, ऊपर से इतना खर्चा।
Now, even as crude oil rates have softened to multi-year lows, the prices of fuel, that is both petrol and diesel in India, have actually tremendously increased. In Bengaluru, as of today, the price of 1 litre of petrol is 78.73, while the price of 1 litre of diesel is 70.95. Now, the problem for people is this: they have to fill their fuel tanks, both cars and bikes. They have no other option. But yes, it is certainly burning a hole in their pockets. Now, I'm going to try and speak to some of the people over here who have come early in the morning in order to fill fuel. Let me just try and go to this person who has actually come driving over here. Sir, good morning. ಈಗ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಓಡಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Right. So this is what it is. People have absolutely no option. This is what he says. He says that we have no option. We have to actually head out. We have to go about with our work. So whatever the price of petrol or diesel, we have to fill our fuel tanks. But their budget has gone completely out of control, and they are certainly suffering today. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Petrol price have gone up by rupees 5 per litre and diesel by rupees 4.87 per litre in the past 9 days, and the fuel prices are being increased at a time when people are facing a financial crunch due to the nationwide lockdown which happened in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. I am joined by some people at a fuel station in Hazratganj area of Lucknow. सर, ये बताइए कि पिछले 9 दिन में अगर हम पेट्रोल की बात करें तो पेट्रोल के दाम 5 रुपये बढ़ाए गए हैं, इसको किस तरह से देखते हैं आप?
ये जनता के ऊपर एक बोझ है, जहां लॉकडाउन में या कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी में बेरोजगारी बढ़ती जा रही है। जो रोजगार लोग भी हैं उनको भी वेतन कट के मिल रहा है, और जनता के ऊपर एक न एक चीज़ें थोपी जा रही हैं।
क्या लगता है सरकार को दाम कम करने चाहिए?
हाँ, सरकार।
So we spoke to some people here at a fuel station in Hazratganj area of Lucknow, and they are clearly saying that the government should focus on reducing the fuel price because they are already facing a lot of problem, financial crunch due to the nationwide lockdown which happened in the wake of rising coronavirus cases. And some of the people who are engaged in private companies are getting reduced salaries, so they are demanding that immediate steps should be taken by the government to reduce the fuel price. In Lucknow with camera person Sanjay Singh, Nilanshu Shukla for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.